Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, children. We are here to learn the Quran and talk in Arabic. كيف حالكم? How are you all doing? Wow! Isn't it exciting that you can learn Quran and Arabic at the same time? I'm sure it is. So let's buckle up and start. We say, أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم before reciting the Quran. In today's lesson, we will learn أعوذ بالله من الشيطان. So repeat after me. أعوذ بالله أعوذ بالله. Excellent. من الشيطان من الشيطان. Excellent. Again. أعوذ بالله أعوذ بالله من الشيطان من الشيطان. One last time. أعوذ بالله أعوذ بالله من الشيطان من الشيطان. Excellent. Now let's put everything together. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان أعوذ بالله من الشيطان. Second time. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان أعوذ بالله من الشيطان. Very nice. For the last time. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان أعوذ بالله من الشيطان. Very nice. Wonderful. Dear children, to help us recite a poem, we would like to invite our dear Aziz uncle, and he will help us recite the poem of letters.
Ma, ba, wa, fa are from the lips. Next 12 letters are from the tongue tip. Tha, 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 ta, da, ta, za, sa, sa, la, na, ra. From the middle are ja, sha, ya. From the edges are da, ka, qa. 6 from the throat, a, ha, a, ha, gha, kha.
Let's be friends with 2 more letters for today. I'm sure you want to hear the story of wow. He goes round and round and flies away. Wow! Look at the shape of wow. Round and round and woo! Woo! It just flew away. So, wow and wow. You can see my lips. Wow and wow. That's how we're going to practice. Wow. Do you see anything that looks like wow around you? Just look around your house, around your room, wherever you are. Can you see anything that looks like wow? Can you make the shape of wow with your hand? I'm sure you can. So let's try. Take a finger, imagine, and write a wow. Again, a small circle, and then come down like that. Get it? One more time. A small circle, come down all the way. I give you another technique. If you take a ring and cut it into half, so first you draw the small circle, and then you draw half of the big circle, that becomes wow. Isn't that exciting? It is. Let me show all of you how to write wow using my white marker board and the eraser. It's very simple. Do not be scared. Join us. Take a paper and write with me as and when I'm writing. So let me start here. Oops, that's not right. Let me write again. Oh, that doesn't look like a wow. One more time. Let's be careful. You take the small circle like this and go down. Wow. Okay, let's do it one more time, a little bigger. Let's make a big circle and come down. Wow. Make a circle like that and come down. Wow. Can everybody say wow? Awesome. Good job. Can you think of saying wow without lips? For example, otter. Otter. Without lips? Very strange. We have to use our lips and say wa. Water. We cannot say water without wa. It'll be otter, not water. Therefore, feel it. Wa. Wa. Now, when wa is playing with friends, it holds his friend with his right hand. Boys and girls, let's take another letter now, and that is the letter of F. Hello, assalamu alaikum. Oh, it's the letter F. I'm so excited to get a call from you. Letter F. How are you doing? My God, that is wonderful news. He's saying that he loves to learn Quran and speak Arabic at the same time, just like yourself. Wonderful. And if you take a look at the phone, how does it look like? It looks like the F. Can you make F with the phone? See? F. F. The letter F loves the phone and it wants to become like a phone. Do you see anything that looks like F around you? Think. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Ding! Got it. Anything that looks like F? I don't know. You try it and see if you can think of anything that may look like F around you. Let me show you how to write F. It's simple and lots of fun. So let me take my marker and my whiteboard and try to see if I can write F. The first thing I'm going to do is make a circle. And oh, that's not right. I don't have to go all the way down. Let me erase it and do it again. It's okay to make mistakes. It is completely fine. Don't worry about being perfect and getting right at the first time. Do not worry. Draw the circle, come down and up. And place the dot. And now, don't you think that this looks very similar to our phone? Yes, it does. Let's try again. Draw the circle, rotate and come all the way down like that. Wonderful. And place the dot. One last time. Take the circle, come down, go all the way to the left, a little up. That's your dot. Very nice. Now it's your turn. Take a paper and write on it. You can write in the air as well. Draw the circle, go down all the way to the left, a little up, place the dot, and there you have it. One more time. Draw the circle, go all the way to the left, go up. That's your dot, and that is your F. There you go. We just erased it. Let me write one more time. Draw the circle. Excellent. That is your F. Good job, boys and girls. I'm sure that you guys are having lots of fun to write the letter F. Let's go and see what we can do without our lips. When we want to say F without our lips, it's not so easy. Own, there's no such thing as own, but F, phone. You cannot say own. It's not right. You say F. The lower lip, you see your lower lip? It goes to the upper teeth to produce the sound. F. Excellent. Now repeat after me. Say F. Very good. Again. F. Wonderful job. Now I'm standing here and you do not see my full body, but you still know me. Sometimes F can come with face only. Its face is only the head with a dot. And when F is playing with friends, he holds his friend with his right hand or left hand or both hands. Now let us talk in Arabic with actions. Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. I think that was Arabic. Wouldn't you be interested to learn how to speak in Arabic? I'm sure you would be. So let us run and try to learn how to speak Arabic as quickly as possible. Now we take a finger and point straight towards you and you say Anta, you. Anta, you. Repeat after me. Say Anta, you. Can everybody see me? You just have to do like this. Anta, you. Wonderful. I'm so happy that you're learning how to speak Arabic. Anta, you. Now you take the four fingers and you say Antum, you all. Antum, you all. So let's repeat this 3 times. Anta, you. Anta, you. Antum, you all. Antum, you all. Anta, you. Anta, you. Antum, you all. Antum, you all. Second time. Anta, you. Anta, you. Antum, you all. Antum, you all. Last time. Anta, you. Anta, you. Antum, you all. Antum, you all. Excellent. Let's put everything together and speak only in Arabic. Huwa, hum. Huwa, hum. Anta, antum. Anta, antum. Huwa, hum. Huwa, hum. Anta, antum. Anta, antum. Excellent. Good job. Now let's practice. The first letter we have is W. The second, F. The third, M. B. F. B. M. W. B. F. W. M. F. B. M. W. B. W. Excellent. Good job, guys. You're doing excellent. Now is the time to play the game. Where is my W? He wants to play hide and seek. Let's go find him. He thinks that he can go and hide from us. No, he can't. Where is my W? Where is my W? Oh, there is my W at the end. Boys and girls, let's play the game of the letter F. Let's go find him. Where is my F? Where is my F? Oh, there is F. at the start, and I'm so excited and so happy that you're learning at such a fast pace. Great job. Where is my fa? Where is my fa? There it is, right there. Fa. Wow, children, I'm so excited to teach you Quran and talk in Arabic at the same time. I'm sure that all of you are so excited at the same time, and I'm sure that all of us will see each other in our next class. That's all for now. See you next class. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Assalamu alaikum. Learn to read Al-Quran, learn Tajweed, understand Al-Quran and memorize it using easy, scientific and interactive methods. Get ebooks, videos, audios, posters, PowerPoint files, app links for different courses. We have specialized Montessori materials and games for making the Quran easy for kids, and a teacher's resource center too. Get personalized one-to-one online courses that suit your needs from expert teachers. For free trial, write to admin@understandquran.com or visit understandquran.com. Wassalamu alaikum.